Graduation Day holds immense significance, marking a turning point for the graduates and those celebrating with them.
Today is not just about academic success. We're celebrating perseverance, faith, and the courage to keep going even when it is hard. There were days it felt like we might not make it, but we did. And we did it side by side.
Ang mga magulang ninyo, wala kayong idea kung gaano ka dami yung sakripisyong ginawa nila sa inyo. They always put themselves behind you because they want you to achieve their dreams. Kaya, walang tamang panahon para magpasalamat sa magulang ninyo. You do it now. Hindi nyo kailangan maging successful, hindi nyo kailangan maging hari ng mundo o reyna ng mundo para ipakita sa kanila na na-appreciate nyo yung ginagawa nila.
A day that marks the beginning of graduates' professional journey and the potential to make a real-world impact. Welcome to the 15th commencement exercises of Colegio de Santa Teresa de Avila.
We are the revelry, we are the dreamers.
Let the story of our speaker inspire all of you that from humble beginnings and lifelong learning, one can truly build a legacy that uplifts other people.
We'll light up. We've been waiting for this moment to come. We were made for this adventure. We feel it in our blood. We'll light up.
It is a day to celebrate the knowledge acquired, skills developed, and personal growth achieved. It's a symbolic closing of the academic chapter and an exciting opening to a future filled with possibilities. With a theme, From Learning to Legacy, Transcending the Ordinary.
We are bright. We'll light up. We've been waiting for this moment to come. We were made for this adventure. We feel it in our blood. We'll light up.
Our college journey has been truly and uniquely far from easy. And I want to tell each one of you that you are more than just your grades, more than the medals or honors you wear today. You are the kind words you shared, the helping hand you extended, and the courage you showed when no one was watching.
Aiming for the stars again.
So today, I raise this victory not just for myself, but for all of us. Congratulations, Batch 2025. I'm so incredibly proud to be one of you. Maraming salamat at mabuhay. To God be all the glory.
Till we feel it in our blood. We'll light up. We have everything we need and we know we were made for this adventure and we were made to go. We'll light up. We'll light up.
Huwag kayo matakot sumubok. Kasi kung sumubok ka, baka manalo ka. Kung hindi ka sumubok, sigurado, talo ka. Congratulations, Batch 2025. Maraming salamat po.